Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to block private messages from strangers on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. We have your messages, the plus button where you can go and create your own content, the explore, and the for you page at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block private messages from strangers on Likee. So first of all, of course, you have to have some chats with people so that you can go and block them. Go to the messages, which is the fourth tab at the bottom of the screen where you can see. And here you'll have all of your messages. So you have the messages and the chat room, so different kind of things, but we are in the messages. You have stranger messages where you can go and check out all the messages that you have from strangers, and you can go and then of course click on those messages there, and of course when you're there you can of course go and of course if the messages are inappropriate, or of course they don't have to be inappropriate, you just don't have to like them, you can of course go and block messages from that person. Or you can go to the person's profile and block, of course, the actual person. Of course, that is an option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.